you want to help with our first how we do it video?
Guess not.
I guess not. Okay, this is the very first of our this is how we do it video. So I teased a little bit on one of our videos. I don't even remember which one it was. I think it was the one with the horses.
Yeah.
Where, here, I'm gonna hand the camera to Jamie. So I know it might be hard to see right now since they're not lit up. We have the two stripped auxiliary lights, the strips on each side that we installed. These are just sticky auxiliary lights. Most people use them on their pickup trucks underneath their tailgates. You've probably seen people running them. And what we did was we just spliced in to the existing taillights, and you can actually see why we did that. It's very difficult to see our taillights with the bike rack and with the cover on it, and so it kind of made for a dangerous situation. So these auxiliary lights should show the runners, the brake lights, and the signal or blinkers. So real quick, just to explain to you how I did it, if you want to follow me. The tail lights were real simple to figure out. So, of course, all of them are just a little bit different. These particular ones have a reflective ring around them. Pop that ring off. It's just held in by a couple of clips and with some silicone caulk around the edge. And there's a couple of screws, or actually 4 screws that hold the tail light in. Take those 4 screws out, and the tail light will pop out. If you flip the tail light over, it will show the actual wiring diagram for the wires that are connected to the taillight. It'll tell you what's the signal and brake, what's the runner, and what's the ground. Just correspond that up with the paperwork you get from the auxiliary strips. The paperwork will show you which wires are which, and you just splice them together. It's really that simple. The method I use for splicing low voltage wires is the same method I use if you watch our dirt bike video. The dirt bike video, it shows me switching out the AC fan, and I show how I splice wires together. So I use that same method right here. I'll link below where we got these lights, the actual link on Amazon, and of course we purchased them. Everything was out of pocket. We're not sponsored by anyone regarding any of this. So without further ado, let's pull the truck around, hook up the trailer harness, and see if we can't get them lit up and see if we can't show you what they look like now. All right, we're just gonna get this hooked up to get those lights working.
Okay, go ahead and try the brakes. Right blinker. Go ahead and try the left blinker. Running lights. Okay, how about the hazards? Looks good.
I'm not too sure what else to say about them. They're really pretty simple. That's it. Hopefully the video is under 5 minutes, and I guess we do have one more planned. This is how we do it video, and that is for this right here. That's our water filter. We need to change the filters in that, and we want to see how bad they are. We haven't done it in like 5 months, so I think they're going to be pretty bad. Anyway, see you next time.